how to perform moderation analysis. We are starting with the moderation. Let's go to the questionnaire we are using for our work. This one is independent variable. This one is, I don't know, this one is dependent variable. This one, let's assume this one is our mediating variable. We are assuming self-efficacy. Let's assume this one is our moderating variable. So this one is moving. I'm moving. Now we are going to do the analysis. Let's go to our SPSS. The data is here. The SC, I don't want you to forget, so I'll state them again. The SC, I said we will consider it as the moderator. And we consider the EE. Or it was not the EE, let's see. Yes, the EE as the mediator. We are going to consider the EE as a mediator. CI, dependent. OC, independent. How to transform this one, very, very important too. That's the basis for the analysis. Let's go to analyze. We are still on a regression because all of them falls under regression, which is moderation and mediation. You come to process for. Please, I also have a step-by-step article you can look on to do. And that is what I was talking about. So it's here. Good. To perform the moderation, what do you do? I've started all of them here. So let's go. I'm starting with the moderation first. This is Y. Y stands for dependent variable. So in our case, our dependent variable is Ti. Bring it there. Come and click on X. S stands for independent, and the independent is OC. Come and click on that one to bring it there. We are doing moderation, so don't bring the mediator. Jump to moderator. The moderator can be more, so that's why they provided two. So you can come to moderator. Then you click on the SC was the moderator for what you were saying. So bring it here. Please, this is where you must look at something well. The model number should be 1, and the 1 is already there, what I've chosen. This should be 95. This should be 5,000. Any of them is important. Good. Now let's see. So they will say, when we are doing the moderation, this should be 5. That was what I was saying. 5,000. This should be 95. The model number should be 1. The model number is even more important. Then they say, do not choose any of these options. Save bootstrap and the bootstrap inferences. So let's go to the work. You are not going to choose any of this one. Don't do anything there. Go to options. When you come to options, choose the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. You are done. Come here. This is decimal places. You can make the decimal places 2. Make sure this is on none. Choose no centering as it is on it. This one is 10. Come and change 2. I've clicked on it, so it will take me to 5. Use it to 5. Come and choose Johnson Neyman outputs. These are the things you will choose. These are the things you choose. You click on OK. We did that one in the option. Now that we are set, we can now click on OK, and the analysis will come. If I make mistake in any of them, the results will not come. The result is still processing. It's not even yet in, so it has now processed. It has now processed. That is how we do the moderation analysis. Please, when the results comes like this, of which you see this one, which one do we interpret? This information are plenty, but I told you not every figure is important for analysis. The one we are going to present in table form is called model summary. We are going to present the whole of this in another new table. We are going to present the whole of this in a new table form. Like this. Let me show it to you. The whole, that is the model summary. That is the one the same thing is what I've presented. But the ones on top, these ones, I brought them down in the table. with one column here. So take note of that. This is how we present it in our work. Please, the same thing, you won't change anything from it. It's the same table, but you draw this table structure and you'll be pasting the numbers in it. You'll be pasting the numbers in it. You can copy, then you go and paste that one. But when you finish, make sure you create an option like what I was doing there, like this, and you bring it there. It's still regression. That's why we are seeing the p-values. I will talk about lower limit confidence interval and upper limit confidence interval tomorrow, God willing, when we are learning the interpretation. So this is how we perform the moderation analysis. The little mistake you do, the results will not come. Let me finish with the mediation and try some for you to see. Let's go to analyze. Go to regression. I'm going to do mediation analysis. Process being 4. I'm there. This is already there. This already, but I don't need this one. Should be back. But I need my mediator, so I'll bring it in the middle. That is for the mediator. Please, the results, if you choose one, you are wrong. For the mediator, here we choose number 4. Then you come and now select these 2 again. So you see, we are changing thing, the 4 and this one. Go to the option. Click all of these. Click all of these. Select only the show and come and select the standardized effect. Only that 2. Select them. The rest here, you can maintain it as you have. Click on OK. If you click on OK here, it will now process for you. If not that, the results will not come. The results, so it's still running. That one does not come early like the first ones. So if you are doing the mediation and you miss a step, it will not come. So the mediation analysis has also come. So let's go down. Yes, the mediation is here. That one too, there are so many tables. But the table we draw is this one: total effects, direct effects, and indirect. You see there's direct effect and indirect effects. These are the tables. This is the one you present in the table in your mediation. Same thing. You don't change anything. So let's go there and see before we go and come for questions and answers. This is the table. Total effects, direct effects, indirect effect. Come and present the figures and you are done. You are done. You are done. Please, let's take note of that. We will learn the interpretations, but when we go and we come, we are coming for questions and answers. So this is the way we use the SPSS to perform